Sorry if that was loud. You've come to the right place. So we're gonna go through all the parts right now. We're gonna unbox everything. Whoa. 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 Someone just tossed me a ketchup packet. Let me introduce you stuff.
Hey guys, what's up?
What's up? You should pull up your pants. Bring a chair over.
I'm gonna wash my...
First thing.
I'm so happy to be part of this stream.
What is this? Free 10 meals. RAM. 16 gigabytes. SSD. Western Digital.
Yeah, I heard about this. SSD and...
There it is.
There it is.
Time to break her open like something with a box. Thank you so much. Hey, DanStellar cheered 3 this time. Oh my god. Thank
Finally.
you so much.
I'm gonna buy McChicken with your money.
Soon I can buy like a pack of gum or something. Jumper.
Huh?
Scared.
Come on, dude.
It's not. Move your hand. Sorry. Stop's falling asleep. You guys gotta wake him up. Huh? What are you doing? He's gonna take a nap, I guess. It's just me now, guys. Gustav is sleeping. What are we on? We're on putting stand-up screws on. It takes forever. Sorry. Be patient. Patience is a virtue. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's an earthquake. Okay. I hope you guys follow and stay tuned. You can subscribe if you'd like, because we're going to be doing a lot more streaming now that we got a PC here that can handle some games. What is that blue bracelet? This is the most important thing that you guys need to know about building a computer, okay? If you're going to build a computer, buy one of these two. It's called electrostatic discharge ESD bracelet. It prevents any static electricity from leaving your body and messing with the components. All right, I'm gonna press the power button. See if our fans come on. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh, it's on. I feel everything's working. Hallelujah. Gustav. Yeah, we got 16 gigs. Ryzen 5. M.2. Everything's recognized. So good. Hi. Oh, we're here. DanStellar's here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys for joining. I hope you enjoyed the amazing build of this PC. Thank you, Gustav, for being here. You guys should follow, like, subscribe, and subscribe.
Bye.